Hello friends, how you guys doing today? Welcome to JumieAnne's channel. Today's video, it's about these single braids right here. Sometimes last week I asked you guys to help me choose between single braid or false locks, and you guys chose single braids, and I'm so happy you did, because first I do not want to commit to the work, but I really want it because that's even better for my hair. But anyway, here I am showing you today how I did this single braid. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please leave them on the comment below. If you have any idea or what you want to see on my channel, please let me know. I am going to be sure to try it out. Now let's get started. I am going to start by separating my hair into 4. And there's a video that came out before this video, which is the where I prep my hair for this single braid. In that video, you're going to see how I stretch my hair, because stretching your hair before you start this kind of hairstyle or any kind of hairstyle on your natural hair is really important, because it's going to make the separation easier and it's going to allow you to avoid breakage. I separated my hair into 4, and then you're going to see me separating my hair even more. This reason is it's easier for me to just go seamlessly between braids. The hair that I use is pretty cheap. It's Canacolon, and I got it from my beauty hair supply. I did clean it like I said in that video. What I'm doing is I'm trying to kind of sort the hair, like make the hair not too sharp on the edge. That way when I braid my hair, it will not be too thick. There's 1 or 2 ways you can do this. You can just go straight up and just braid your hair like that, like a single separation, or you can separate it into 2 like I did. I'm more comfortable like this because then I have it separated into 3 parts, and all I gotta do is just separate my own hair into 3 and just match those with the extension that I'm putting in, and I just braid it in. Since I'm not seeing my back, I kind of go my inner eyes and just imagine. I did that for a little bit, and then I switched my hand. That allowed me to be able to go ahead and just think I'm braiding somebody's hair, and I just continue to braid all the way down. Now don't ask me why I have this long hair. I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I just want to have like my hair swing to the side, back and forth. I don't know. I had a long, but it's not big, because that would be a problem if I have to put when I have to put my hair up in uniform. I can't be breaking no regulation either, because I enforce it. It took me like about 45 minutes to get to this point, more because I have to get up and go attend to the family, get something to drink, get something to eat. But after that, I kind of get serious and I just continue to braid my hair non-stop until I took a whole lot of break after that. So you can see how I'm braiding it. It's not that difficult. You can pretty much do this if you know how to braid, or you can start practicing on your hair. You know, that will save lots of money. This is second day. So the first day I was only able to do the whole back and just a little bit to the side. So, and then the second day, which is where we are right now, and now I'm moving to here. I already showed you how you can do the back. I have not showed you how you can do your sides and the top here. Since my hair is dry, I'm just going to spray some water, not to the point of wet. I want it to be stretched. Still, when I'm combing it, like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not. Thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate you. Love you. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.